You want to share only the Excel areas that matter, allow colleagues to edit them, and smoothly sync those changes back without giving access to your full workbook. Let me show you how easily you can do this directly in Excel, even with your on-premises documents. The AirRange Excel add-in lets you share only the parts of your workbook you want, not the entire file. Just pick the worksheet you'd like to share and start the sharing process. Then, choose whether you want a sharing link or prefer to send an invitation email right from the Share menu. Your colleagues receive the data as an easy-to-use web app, so they don't need an Excel license and can work with it from anywhere. You can also create your own name ranges and share each one individually. Every area can have its own permissions. Click the Edit button to open the Area Designer. There, you choose which areas are editable, select a range, and activate editing with one click. In the Options tab, you can allow users to view or modify formulas and choose whether row and column headers or grid lines should be hidden. And on the last step of the wizard, you can define custom header and footer text for your shared data. When your users open the invitation link, they immediately see the shared area. Because these snippets are small and targeted, everything is easy to follow. They can edit just like in Excel, and if allowed, add formulas that calculate locally. All edits are tracked automatically and displayed in a change overview. When they're finished, users can submit their updates directly to the creator for approval. You immediately receive a notification when new submissions come in. In the Submits area, you can review all changes at a glance. Just click on a submission to see the detailed cell updates. You can merge each change individually or automatically apply all updates to your workbook. No leaked data, no overwritten formulas, no version chaos. Data entry workflows have never been easier.